You are watching T to the M to the IDD.
What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? T to the M to the IDD. We are here in the new year 2023. And first of all, let me say Happy New Year to everybody. I wish everybody a prosperous new year. But I know that's not why we came here today. Today, we are here for this waterfall photo shoot. And before we get into that content, I think that it is a great opportunity to set the stage for this hike to the waterfall. Now, here I am getting my exercise in, you know, on my channel and on my Instagram, I have daily posts where I talk about, did you work out today? Working out is near and dear to me, and I try to make sure that I work out at least 4 to 5 times a week. So here it is, the New Year's. I know a lot of people have New Year resolutions, and so I want to bring to you a product that I think that can help everyone with their health journey and these goals that they have set in 2023. Now, you may be asking yourself, why does TMIDD have on sandals on an exercise bike? And I have the perfect answer to that question. These slides are what I used to hike up the mountain. So take note of that. Trust me, I did not have any idea that I was going to be doing such a hike, but I did. Now, let's get into the product itself. This is the Ourika exercise bike. Now, they had sent me this exercise bike a few months back to test out, and I've been using it for the past couple of months, and I think this is the perfect time to introduce this bike because this really helped me during my hike on this mountain in the video in which you're going to see. When you talk about stamina, you talk about endurance and just being able to push through until you get to your final destination on your journey. This is what I have been using to help me increase my stamina, endurance, and just stay healthy, especially from a cardio aspect. Now, one thing that I really enjoy about this bike is that it is very compact. And as you can see, I am able to ride this bike inside of my home. So it is very compact and it's very silent. Even if you listen to it, one of the things that I like, it is very, very silent as well. So if you have someone in the same space, no worries, you won't hear any sounds at all. So what I want to do is actually walk through a few of the things that I enjoy about this bike and just introduce it to you because you may like this and you may want to check it out for your space at a very affordable price. Now, one thing about this, it literally took about 30 minutes to put this exercise bike together. It comes pretty much all assembled except for the feet on the ground, the handlebars, the seat, and then you have a water bottle holder and a stand where you can place your phone, tablet, etc. From an adjustability standpoint, this is great. On the feet, we actually have cages, so it can lock in your feet for the ultimate comfort, and those are adjustable. From the seat, you can adjust it up and down, geared to your height, and then even on the actual seat, you can pivot and tilt it back and forward to your liking and comfortability. You have the same options on the actual handlebar, so if you're a little bit taller, no problem, you can adjust that as well. Now, when you talk about the stamina and the long endurance and just building those muscles, for me, I love a challenge. And so I love to be able to increase the intensity or resistance when I am traveling, right? So if I'm on here, I'm traveling right here, I'm at a nice, decent resistance. But if I wanted to increase it, we have a knob just here below where I can increase the resistance. And so that'll let me build the muscles even more. Now, one of the nicest things that I like about this bike is that it is Bluetooth activated. So here we have a iPad in front of me where I can connect to the application that is specifically for this bike. So what you can do is take your tablet, phone, whatever you use to connect it, use the camera feature, and you can scan this QR code that is right here in front of me, and it will bring you to the application. Once you log into that application, it is filled with a few classes where it is very interactive, as though you have someone right beside you working out. Other than that, I think that is a pretty sound product, and I've definitely been using it, and it's been helping me, and you will see how it has helped me in this video that you are about to watch. Right now, tune in, T to the M to the IDD. This is the travel to the waterfalls, all right? And like I said, these slides right here, I think I'm going to take them off, and I am going to put these in a case, okay? Because I don't know how I climbed up a mountain with these, but I did. Go ahead, watch this video, and I hope you all enjoy it. Boy, we had a time last night. We made it. Oh no, we didn't make it yet. We still got 30 minutes to get to the waterfall. I got this lightweight gear. Shout out to Well Making for sending me out this lightweight stainless steel light stand to get all your job needs done. Come on, Craig. Come on, Craig. As you can see, it is quite the adventure here. Joined with these fellow tribes. Did you work out today, teammate?
Are we halfway there? No. Oh, fuck.
Oh, this a real deal situation. Oh.
A bit much. Back in the day, if I had spots like this when I was in high school.
Oh, you alright?
Okay, watch out.
Oh yeah.
You see me? Out here in my element? I should have brought my...
How you feel, Cass?
Good.
Good? Not breaking a sweat, huh?
No.
Elles vont avoir froid, c'est dangereux, puis c'est pas très local.
This is quite the adventure. Like if you don't work out for this hike, you need some cardio because it is serious. These inclines are crazy. We're almost here, but you could tell we're higher in altitude because it is cold up here right now. So we're gonna keep trekking and keep going so we can get these shots. Whew. How you feeling, bro?
Come on, man.
How you feeling?
I ain't new to this. I'm true to this, man. Hey, check out the sack. Imagine that. I came up on there with that on.
With that on. How everybody feeling?
Tea as well.
Tea.
They feeling.
Anybody want some nuts?
You still got them almonds.
Okay. Alright, currently going back towards the shop because we had someone that couldn't make it, but we're trying to see if we can get them to come this way because it'll be an easier trek back. But I'm not gonna lie, this store, it's not a joke. Yo! You said what?
Stay in the restaurant.
You're all right there, mate. we don't want you to get hypothermia now.
Yeah, I'm gonna get hypothermia.
Yeah.
Thank you.
I feel like we climbing Mount Everest right now. This is gonna be an epic vlog. I just want y'all to know.
The red meat on.
Yeah.
Say, you got to say it's Natty with a Baddie.
Hi guys, I'm looking at me. I need to look at that.
Voice, you just need to be
Oh,
more
you got the
natural.
perfect light right there.
Just be more natural. Don't put me in it.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm here with the gang. Legacy by Lexi, Instagram. 20% off if you use the code vlog.
Hey, what's your name?
What, is it all the way back down? What, you just came all the way back down and all the way back up?
ran back up.
Might as well get a chop it.
Like tourists, isn't it? Like take the tourists on an adventure, make it worth it, isn't it?
Man, this is quite the adventure. I got quite the vlog out of just the mountain.
Yeah, for real. That's part one.
That's a whole video right there.
That's part one right there.
Now I just need to sit all of you down back at the lot and do like documentaries. Like, okay, so what was your experience?
One by one,
One by one.
spot.
At the same side.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, Billy.
How you feeling, brother?
That's like real. That's real hardcore. Hardcore cardio.
Let me get that.
All right, man. So it ends
Thanks, bro.
here.
It ends here with this. Where you at?
All right.
It's never goodbye, man.
Never goodbye.
Always see you next time.
Because me and my brother will come to Europe. This is multi-purpose. Now my lifestyle is okay. A hiking stick. Yep. You alright? Perfect. Love it, love it, love it, love it. Why are you looking like that, mate?
Like what, mate?
You're looking like
Cold.
Oh, I don't know if I can do it.
No, are you ready?
You want to do it? Are you good?
Yeah.
All right. Hold that. 1, 2. Perfect. Look over that way. Perfect. I said perfect. Now stand towards me. Yeah, and cross your legs. Yeah. 1, 2.
Why are you like, are you just gonna sit there? No! Oh no! Don't do that. That's not fair.
Alright guys, Adrian here. I am your TV.
T to the M to the IDD.
We're here. We're gonna shoot Kiki in the back. We're gonna do what's the natural light.
Natural light.
Natural light.
Natty with a baddie.
We're in the mountains of Morocco. It was a mission to get here, but I gotta be quick because she's very cold.
Very cold.
So yeah, let's go.
Let's go. I'm gonna tell you when to go. 1, 2, 3, go.
Yo guys, it's K to the E to the SSI. If you want to subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram. It's at xcast.model for more. Yeah, looks really zen. Should have got one of them crystals.
Oh yeah.
Oh my God.
How many pins you want? If you take more mini, more cheap. Bonjour.
Are we going the right way? I don't know.
Jeez!
Run! Everyone spent all my days.
Have good days.
You too.
Proszę bardzo, Krzymertu.
What is going on, guys? You just tuned in to T to the M to the IDD. And if you enjoy this content, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And if you really enjoy the content, check out some more of the videos that you see right here. Oh yeah, and hit that like button for me.